Welcome to Be.Live, where live streaming becomes effortless. Today we're diving into how to add guests to your streams. Before we get started, here are some key points. Your remote guests don't need a Be.Live account and can join your stream from any device. You can send the guest link anytime before or during the stream, and the same link works for all your broadcasts. Guests may join your streaming studio at any time before or during the broadcast. Now let's jump into the step-by-step tutorial on how to add guests to your Be.Live stream. Click on Guest from the toolbar in your studio. Here you'll see the option to copy link. There is also an option to create new link for added security. The current guest link will be deactivated and the new one will be generated. Once you've copied the link, send it to your guest via your preferred communication method. As soon as the guest clicks on the link and connects their camera, you'll see them appear in the staging area. Now for the grand reveal. Click Show in Stream on the top right corner of their camera source and give them a warm welcome to your show. Here's the exciting part. You're not limited to just one guest. You can have multiple guests and up to 8 people in stream simultaneously. With multiple guests, managing audio seamlessly is key to a smooth and professional stream. That is where the mute button comes in handy. Keep your streams visually engaging. With Be.Live's dynamic layouts, switch effortlessly between side-by-side views, picture-in-picture and many more. Drag and drop participants to change their screen placements and keep your stream fresh. Plus, you can customize and display name tags for clear identification. If you want to manually approve guests joining, simply navigate to the studio settings and enable Manual Guest Approval feature. This ensures complete control over who enters your Be.Live studio. On the right panel, you'll find Private Chat for discreet communication with your guests. And remember, if you want to share hosting duties with your guests, you can invite them as a co-host through Be.Live's Team Accounts feature. This allows for enhanced interaction, shared responsibilities, and facilitates content sharing. For more details on this feature, check out the video description. Explore all the possibilities and unlock the full potential of your broadcast today. Happy streaming!